Welcome to Sri Ganesh tutorial. Learn, practice and succeed. Today's class is translation. ଓଡ଼ିଆରୁ ଇଂରାଜୀକୁ ଅନୁବାଦ। ଆଜି ଆମେ ପଢ଼ିବା ଚାପ୍ଟର 1 ଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ଚର 1 this and that। ଅନୁବାଦ କର। ପେଜ ନମ୍ବର 1। ଏହା ଗୋଟିଏ ମାଛ। This is a fish। ତାହା ଗୋଟିଏ ବହି। That is a book। ସେଇଟି ଗୋଟିଏ ଟେବୁଲ। That is a table। ସେଇଟି ଗୋଟିଏ କଲମ। That is a pen। ଇଏ ଜଣେ ମଣିଷ। This is a man। ତାହା ଏକ ଛେଳି। That is a goat। ସେଇଟି ଗୋଟିଏ କୁକୁର। That is a dog। ଇଏ ଗୋଟିଏ ବିଲେଇ। This is a cat। ତାହା ଗୋଟିଏ ଗାଈ। That is a cow। ଏହା ଗୋଟିଏ ବାଘ। This is a tiger। ଧନ୍ୟବାଦ। Thank you।